Imagine one of the 5 main bones in your hand, known as metacarpals, gets cracked. If this bone isn't treated well, it could end up healing in the wrong position. Such a break could occur if you slip and land on your hands, if something heavy smashes against your hand during rough sports, or in a vehicle collision. This is a shoulder injury called as fracture of the greater tuberosity. It's a break of the bony bump on the outer side of the humerus. That's the bone of your upper arm. The greater tuberosity is the place where 3 muscles of the rotator cuff attach. So a fracture here hurts your shoulder's stability and movement. This type of fracture is caused by a traumatic injury. It can happen during a road accident or a fall. It can happen if your shoulder is dislocated. Your risk is higher if you have osteoporosis. That's a weakening of the bones that can develop as you get older. What if one of the bones in your spine collapsing like a squashed can? This is called compression fractures of spine, and this can involve just one or several of the bones in your back, often in the middle or lower part. Such a collapse can alter your spine's shape. It's usually due to osteoporosis. Now think of it as a crack in one of the slender, arching bones that guard your chest. This is a rib fracture. Your ribs are linked by muscles and hook up to your spine. A tiny crack is a minor break. A big snap is a severe break, and the rib can shift. Cracks can come from a strong hit to the chest, sports injuries, car accidents, falls, or even a forceful cough. A hip fracture occurs in the upper part of your femur, which is the long bone in your upper leg. The femur has a head at the top which fits into your hip socket. Fractures can happen either at the index of the femur or below the neck. This is a break of the heel bone. The calcaneus forms the back of the foot and supports you when you walk. A calcaneus fracture is a serious injury that needs medical care. A Jones fracture occurs in the 5th metatarsal bone of the foot, specifically at the far end from the toe. Due to limited blood supply in that area, healing can be challenging. This is a break of the bone that sits above the heel bone and below the lower leg bones. The talus forms the lower part of the ankle joint. A talus fracture is a serious injury that needs medical care. The tibia or shin bone is the larger of the 2 bones in the lower leg. It plays a crucial role in supporting body weight and is an essential part of both the knee joint and ankle joint. A break in the shin bone is commonly known as a tibia fracture. The thigh bone, also called the femur, is the largest and strongest bone in your body. A femur fracture is a crack or a break of this bone. Fracture of the patella, commonly known as the kneecap, can indeed cause pain and other issues. The patella serves as a protective shield for the knee joint and plays a crucial role in connecting thigh muscles to the lower leg.